Before we can bring Greenlight Network's high-speed fiber optic internet service to your home, our design team first maps out a path the network will take to travel from neighborhood to neighborhood. Occasionally, our construction plans involve digging in order to bury equipment and fiber optic cables. Per a permit to dig in the right-of-way, or an easement granted by the homeowner that lets Greenlight perform underground work in their yard, we agree to restore the lawn back to the way it was before work began. We want to show you the process we use to accomplish this after underground drilling is performed. To begin, underground contractors will paint a white line to mark the proposed path of the fiber. Utility companies are contacted to mark the location of their underground utilities. The flags that are used to mark these utilities should not be touched or moved by the homeowner. Once they are no longer needed, our construction team will remove them from the yard. It is also the responsibility of the homeowner to notify Greenlight Networks of any sprinkler system or invisible fence. Once this is done, you'll see our construction team show up with the materials and equipment needed to begin working. A contractor will pothole or dig down at several locations along the path of the fiber to expose existing utilities and allow the drill to access the path of the fiber run. The team then installs a plastic conduit, underground vaults, and handholds that will protect our lines and equipment from the elements. Prior to leaving, the contractor will rough grade the areas that have been disrupted by utilizing the existing excavated soil. After the contractor moves to the next neighborhood, a restoration crew will be notified that this particular district is ready for restoration. The restoration crew brings in screened topsoil and does the final grading, along with placing grass seed and straw over the affected areas. After we leave, the homeowner is responsible for watering the grass seed regularly to prevent the soil from drying out. If the seeds dry out, they will die and will not grow. Grass will begin sprouting after about 2 to 4 weeks. In time, with proper attention from the homeowner, the lawn will look just as good as it did. Consult with your local lawn care experts for tips on proper lawn maintenance. We hope this look behind the scenes helps the residents of our Greenlight neighborhoods understand how New York's fastest fiber optic internet is brought to homes in every Greenlight district. We do our absolute best to keep the neighborhoods we serve looking as good as possible, because there are neighborhoods too.